In India, there are 5,000 listed companies. Out of 5,000 listed companies, there are only 550 companies in India. Only 550 companies in India, which makes 100 crores, which is $15 million of profit. Only 550 companies. Our focus is, our universe is this 550 companies. Okay. That's our minimum benchmark. Which is actually very high benchmark. Although you may feel that $15 million is actually a very small number. But to make 100 crore profit, you may require 1,000 to 2,000 crores of revenue. And as I said, in India, there are only 550 companies which have delivered that number. Correct? So, when you buy a company with a minimum 100 crores of profit, it means those companies can navigate the volatility of commodity, volatility of currency, volatility of trade barrier, volatility of geopolitical policies. They can absorb the shock, if any. And as you've seen in the recent times, so much volatility in last 18 months in supply chain, the inflation, the commodity. But who could survive? Only those who have at least big size to take the shock of such volatility. Right. So that's very important. So in our entire focus list is those companies which have a minimum benchmark net profit with a benchmark market share. So one, you are taking market leader. Second, we are saying it should have a minimum net profit of, say, for example, 100 crores. Okay. Then we said that it should have a low leverage balance sheet. So, for example, if you look at my today's portfolio, all my portfolio companies, almost all my portfolio companies have 100 crores plus profit size. 62% of my portfolio companies have 500 crores plus net profit after tax. When I look at the balance sheet of my portfolio companies, 75% of my portfolio companies have zero debt. No short-term loans, no long-term loans. They have zero debt. Actually, they are net cash. Maybe only 12-13% of the portfolio companies, they would have some debt less than 1 time. So now you think, a portfolio built of 40-50 companies which are having a profit size of 100 crore, 500 crore, 1000 crore, 2000 crores, minimum 100, correct? Right. With a balance sheet with a zero leverage or debt equity less than 1 time, how it is possible? It is possible because they all are market leaders. Connecting my dots of 3M approach. Correct. And it is that market leadership with these financials which give them return on net worth of 18 to 20%, much higher than the traditional benchmark indices of 9 to 11%. And it is that character of the business mode which helps them to keep growing the profit by 18-20% compared to, if you look at the Nifty, for example, last 12 years, Nifty earnings growth is 7%. Last 12 years, our portfolio earnings growth is 20%. It is that 20% earnings growth that helped us to deliver 20% compounded returns to our investors. And that is something very, very critical. All our portfolio companies, they are not only best in terms of governance, balance sheet and management, but they are undisputed market leaders, and very importantly, they are into the very strong earnings growth trajectory, and that's critical.